So when you structure your water, you want the proper mineralization so the body absorbs the water. It's not just distilled water or stripped reverse osmosis water, which will go through the body and take the minerals out of your body. What type of water do I drink? As I tell my students and my clients for many years, drink the best, purest water you can source without going neurotic. Meaning, don't drive yourself crazy. Spring in glass is best. I live next to spring in Sedona, Arizona. Actually, I had to drive 12 miles up the creek to get it, and it was right off the side of the road. I would take my 5-gallon glass jugs and I would fill them up, bring them home, and drink that. You can also order that from some commercial outlets. I do believe Paul Chek sources Palomar Mountain in glass from his area, and I do believe Mountain Valley Spring Water also offers that. In the cities, I recommend getting a reverse osmosis system underneath your sink so you have access to pure water all the time. You can cook with it, you can clean your vegetables with it, etc. Reverse osmosis water is a municipal water supply that has the homeopathic imprint of pharmaceutical drugs, contraceptives, xenoestrogens, plastics, feces, toilet paper, etc. It is purified with a molecular structure without the poisons. This is why you don't want to go neurotic, because it's layered. But once the water is purified, then you can structure it. Personally, I have a vitalizer I bought on eBay about 17 years ago. When I lived in Los Angeles for many years, I had reverse osmosis structured with my vitalizer. To whatever degree that I have health and vitality that you can witness is the degree that I am hydrated or I am replicating my cells. I'm about 70% water with the water that I have used. I've also been juicing for the past 35 years. That's a great way to get distilled water with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, nutrient-dense materials to replenish the waters of my body, to replenish the cellular structure of my body with the building blocks of life, which is nutrition converted through photosynthesis into whatever the body can absorb. You can also structure water. I have a molecular hydrogen device, and molecular hydrogen is a selective antioxidant, and it goes through the body to help purify the body. The solution to pollution is dilution. We have contaminated the world with toxic waste and environmental toxins, pesticides, herbicides, pollution from burning gasoline. Those elements store in our tissues. You want to be replenishing the waters of the body with pure water as best as you can. Structuring it accordingly is subjective, depending on what you can do. These are roots, barks, berries, flowers. This is an herbal tea. These have natural minerals in it. It structures it to a certain degree. Using herbs to purify the liver, the blood, the kidneys. This is age-old, making tea. Another way is juicing and or taking dried superfoods, dehydrated foods that have minerals, vitamins, and enzymes. This particular superfood drink is dehydrated coconut water and aloe vera. Aloe vera is revered for its properties to heal the skin, internally or externally, making it excellent for the gut to heal and seal the gut. This is a superfood drink that you can find on my Superfood store. Cheers, big ears. It tastes amazing and has all the elements, the energy from the sun, the minerals from the earth, the electromagnetism. You can really feel it saturate your body. It's loaded with electrolytes. So when you structure your water, you want the proper mineralization so the body absorbs the water. It's not just distilled water or stripped reverse osmosis water, which will go through the body and take the minerals out of your body. This is going to put the minerals, the electricity, the energy back into the body. You can get that in fresh squeezed juice. You can get it in fruit if you're eating watermelon. Obviously, finding high quality organic fruit is imperative because of pesticide and herbicide poisoning of the body. So again, when it comes to water, get as pure as possible. Get it sourced from nature. If you live inside a major city, make sure that you have reverse osmosis underneath your sink. And if you own your own house, get a large bolt into your main a filtration system, a reverse osmosis system for the whole house, because it's important when you're taking showers, etc. etc. From there, structure your water. Mimic nature with either the Vitalizer, Celtic sea salt, or real salt from Redmond Company. It's available in all stores domestically in the United States. And or a molecular hydrogen device like I have. I have the Lourdes Hydroflix. It's the highest technology in molecular hydrogen from the Japanese market. Source wisely when you're buying technology. Make sure it has a 100% satisfaction guarantee attached to it. You can try it out and see if you get results to your health. Drop a comment in the box and let me know your water process. The more videos I make on water, the more questions everyone has. It seems simple, hence why I say source the best without going neurotic.